Hi there. In this video, I'm gonna set up this Tuya small video doorbell. The doorbell supports PoE and it supports wired network connection. First, I need to take it out from the dust rim shield. Put it aside. Then find the power cable here and connect it to the power supply. Meanwhile, I'm going to use my smartphone. Here, a smartphone, Tuya Smart. I'm gonna cancel, make it blue light feel around strong. And go to refocus. Go to the app and find the smart doorbell. Make the indicator is flashing. This indicator is flashing. This implies that the doorbell is ready for setup. And tap next. Select Wi-Fi, ensuring the password is correct. Tap the next. Now use the camera to scan the QR code. And I hear a prompt. Now it says means I have successfully added this Tuya small doorbell to my Tuya account. Okay, happy door anyway. Tap down. Oh, I'm ready to use it. Oh, it's quite convenient, sounds like this one. Okay, that's it.